Hello and welcome to the creation of a cost accounting modification transaction or CAM in AZ360. This is the fourth of 9 videos demonstrating this process. In this video we will cover the completion of the CAM Program Period tab. To get started we will click on the Program Period tab. On the Program Period tab we will load the existing program period into the CAM. Observe that initially this tab appears blank. We will then click on the Major Program tab. As a reminder, the Major Program tab contains the Load Program Period Details feature because program periods are child records of the major program. On the blue Major Program line, we'll click the row 3-dot menu, Related Actions, and then click Load Program Period Details. Okay. The existing program period on the Program Period PPC reference table that is associated with Major Program Record CDCMP has now loaded into the CAM. Note that the Load Program Period Details selection on the Major Program tab is a very important concept. It is the only way for existing program periods to be brought into a CAM. Existing program periods cannot be manually entered into the Program Period tab without errors occurring. So we will go ahead and click the Program Period tab. And we will notice now that there is a line that is populated. The program period CDC22 has generated with a line type of modify. Okay. We will now create a new program period in the tab. In the tab level action section, we will click the plus icon to add a new program period line. In the line type drop-down field, we will select add. In the program period field, we will enter a code to identify the new program period being created by this CAM transaction. In this scenario, we will enter CDC23. In the Infer From field, we will enter May 1st, 2022. And in the Infer To field, we will enter April 30th, 2040. Okay, we'll then click the expand caret on the blue line. In the General Information section, Program Period Name field, we will enter a short description for the program period. In this scenario, we will enter CDC Grant New Budget Period. In the Short Name field, we will enter a descriptive name for the program period as well, CDC New PPC, where PPC stands for Program Period. Okay, we'll click the General Options section. In the Reimbursement Status field, we will ensure that Allowed for Reimbursement is selected. We'll then navigate to the Funding Identification section. In the Federal Catalog Agency field, we will click the pick list. As in the CAS scenario, the assistance listing for our grant award for our new program period is the same as our existing program period, 93.270. So the corresponding federal catalog prefix is 93. Okay, in the pick list search, we will enter 93 in the Federal Catalog Prefix field, 93, and then click Search. From the results that generate, we will scroll down and select DCAP for DHHS Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Go ahead and click OK. As with the CAS scenario, the Federal Catalog Prefix field has also generated a value after we completed that step. In the Federal Catalog Suffix field, we will click the pick list. In the Federal Catalog Suffix field, we will enter 270, click Search, and you'll see that that ties into the viral hepatitis prevention and control, just like with the CAS scenario. Go ahead and click OK. We'll click Validate to check for errors. The transaction has validated successfully, and we have completed the creation of the CAM Program Period tab. Close this window to return to the CBT.